Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I wanted to pick up the camera really quickly to do a brief intro because I didn't have an intro to this video as I realized while I was editing. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to make 7 different super easy superfood smoothies. So I'm gonna be using 7 different superfood mixes by the company Your Super. And if you're really interested in what you see and you are intrigued and wanna buy it, feel free to use my promo code super-zuli, all uppercase. With that being said, let's go right into the video. To start, I recommend you all to begin with the starter pack so you get an idea of how to use it and which mix works best for you. Your Super is 100% plant-based, gluten-free, non-GMO, and certified organic. And with every purchase made, a food bar gets sent to a malnourished child. On the back of each package, there's a recipe already. Feel free to use that as a base and get creative like I did. Power Matcha is a nutrient-dense blend of greens and brain-boosting superfoods, which allow you to focus. Naturally, Chocolate Lover is a mood booster full of antioxidants. Energy Bomb Mix is an energy booster and can be used to replace your coffee. Super Green is high in chlorophyll and micronutrients such as vitamin A, K, C, calcium, potassium, folate, and iron. Muscle Power is a complete protein mix with all essential amino acids. Skinny Protein is also a plant-based protein mix. It's sugar-free, low in carbs, and nutrient-dense as it contains chlorophyll, vitamin A, B12, K, iron, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Forever Beautiful is a blend of nutrient-dense foods high in antioxidants and micronutrients like vitamin A, C, E, magnesium, calcium, and iron. For Energy Booster, I'm adding 2 bananas, pineapples, passion fruit, but if you don't have passion fruit, feel free to replace it with strawberries or any other fruit that you have available. I'm also adding a cup of water, but I know some people like their smoothies a little bit watery, so just add water to your liking. For the super green mix, I'm adding spinach, kale, papaya, dragon fruit, but again, if you don't have dragon fruit, feel free to replace it with an apple or any other fruit that you have available. And again, I'm using water. I just want to apologize for this particular clip. I totally forgot to flip the camera. Sorry. For Chocolate Lover, I'm adding a banana. I chose to add avocado because I wanted it to be a creamy texture. And I'm also going to add almond butter, papaya, and for this one, I'm going to put almond milk. For Forever Beautiful, I wanted it to have like a tropical taste, so I added pineapple, banana, cantaloupe, and papaya, along with some water. For skinny protein, I kept it very simple. I added bananas, almond butter, cinnamon, and water. For muscle power, I also kept it pretty simple. I added a prepackaged frozen fruit blend of strawberry, mango, pineapple. I added papaya and some almond milk. I tried to get a little creative with this one and made it into a smoothie bowl. You can add whatever toppings you want, like granola, coconut crisp, chia seeds, whatever it is that you're in the mood for. And lastly, my favorite combination of them all, power matcha. I added banana, coconut, ginger, cinnamon, and almond milk. And that wraps up my videos for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you take advantage of that promo code. The link is in the description below.